بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay students, first of all of you open page 27 in your books. Hurry up, all of you open it. This is page 27. Okay students, in the previous video lecture we were doing ascending order. Our question was put numbers in ascending order, and I have given you this homework. This was your homework, students. Have you finished it? And have you shared the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group? If you have shared, then it's very good, excellent. And if you have not done this homework, please, let's see here. I'm doing this for you, and this is what we were going to do, ascending order. Okay students, this is ascending order, and we have to put these series of numbers into ascending order, into the increasing order, starting from the smallest and slowly moving towards the largest number. And can you see that in the series of this, 11 is the smallest, so we have written here 11, and then we have written here 14, then 21, then 31, then 51, then 61. This is the correct answer for this question E. This is part E. If you have done this in your books, please check it from here, match it. If it's correct, then excellent, very good that you have done it correctly. Okay students, check it and match it with your answers. Okay, now moving towards part F. This is part F, students, and I have done this for you. This is also the increasing order, and here it is 3 is the smallest, so we have written here 3, and then 12, and then 28, then 56, then 57, and then 82. Match it with your answer. If your answer is correct, it's very good. If your answer is not correct, please tally it with your answer. And if you are having any problem, students, you can send a message in your WhatsApp group. Okay, your teacher will guide you there. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया है, if you are having any problem, you can contact me through your WhatsApp group, students. Please tell your answers. If you have done it correctly, it's very good, excellent, well done. Okay students, now moving towards the topic of our today's video. Today we are going to do the decreasing order, the descending order. Okay students, let's start today's class. Okay students, today our question is question 10. Put numbers in descending order. I am repeating, put numbers in descending order. Do you know what is descending order, students? We have also done it in the previous videos. Descending order means decreasing order from the largest number towards the smallest number. बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ जाना is known as descending order. This is part A, students. In part A, we are having 7, 9, 1, 3, 5. This is 7, 9, 1, 3, 5. Which number is the largest number here? 9. Very good. 9 is the largest number here. So we will put here 9. And after 9, which number will come? 7. Very good. And after 7, the smallest is 5, then 3, and then 1. Okay students, so start writing with me. Okay students, now you can see I have arranged these numbers into descending order, starting from the largest number and slowly moving towards the smallest number. This is part A, and now we will move towards part B. Okay students, now this is part B, and here we are having 46 is the largest number here, ठीक है. And then 38, after 38 it's 35, slowly moving towards the smallest number, and then 31, and 30 is the smallest number, starting from the largest and slowly moving towards the smallest number. Okay students, if you are writing it, please write down carefully. Okay, now we are moving towards part C. This is also done for you. This is the largest number here, 92. In this number of series, we have 92 as the highest, and then we have 72, then 41, then 31, and then 13. 13 is the smallest number here, and 92 is the largest number, and slowly we are moving towards the smallest number. This is the decreasing order. Okay students, now this one, part D. 76 is the highest number, largest number in this series of numbers, and then after 73, 63. Where is 63? This is 63, which is smallest than 76, and then the most smallest number we have 43, and after 43 we have 33 here. Okay students, very good. And after 33 only one number is remaining, 13. Students, अगर आप ऐसे टिक लगाएंगे साथ में तो आपको आसानी भी होगी, that which number we have written and which number is left. Okay, very good. Okay, now we are moving towards this number. This is part E. This is 51, 62, 30, 75 and 22. And okay students, now 75 is the largest number here. Which number is the largest? 75 here is the largest number. And after 75, which number is smallest than 75? 62. These all numbers are smallest, but 62 is the topmost smallest number. Okay, just direct after 75 we will write here 62, and then 51 is the smallest after 62, then 30, and then 22, starting from the largest number and moving towards the smallest number. Okay students, and now we are on part F. This is part F, and we have 82 here and 64 here, 82 and 64, and you can see I have put a tick over the numbers, so it will make us easy for us when we are doing the ascending and descending orders. And after 82 and then 61, and then after 64, and after 64 we have 51, then 29, and then 2. Okay students, in this way we have completed this exercise. If you are writing it, please write down very carefully and in a very neat and clean line. Okay students, now we have completed question 10 on page 27. Put numbers in descending order. Okay, we have completed this exercise, and now it's your homework time students. You have to complete this question in a very neat and clean writing, and then you have to take a picture and share the picture of this homework in your WhatsApp group. Your teacher will check over there and then tell you that either you have done it right or wrong. Okay, please complete your homework. This is your homework. Please share the video and share the picture of this homework in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class students. If you are having any difficulty, you can contact your teacher through your WhatsApp group. Okay students, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.